What's up, everybody? We're going to make a review of the highest residential building in Europe. It has 48 floors. It has its own pool on the 45th floor. It has sauna, spa, restaurants. It has additionally pool on the first floor, children's area. It has only 10 minutes to the sea, and it has all the infrastructure of a big city, Benidorm. So let's go and see what we have here in this residential building. So let's check what we have in this showroom. It's 177 square meters flat with 3 bedrooms. Here we go inside the great living room. What great is it here? You can see the 130 meters high view to one of the greatest mountains here, Campana, Mediterranean Sea and Benidorm. Benidorm here is a place where all tourists love, because now it is the end of November and we have 18 degrees the temperature outside, and sea is warmer. It is almost 20 degrees. So let's check the master bedroom. It has its own shower. You can see here a shower and the bedroom with its own terrace and great views to Campana. You just imagine when you lie here and you're going to sleep and you see this view, these lights, these mountains, and then you wake up and you see the same great view. I think it's marvelous. So let's check 2 other bedrooms. They have 1 shower and 1 smaller bedroom, and another 1 bedroom has 2 walls with glass. Something you cannot buy for money if you don't have it. It is view. Just check this marvelous view to mountains, and when you rest here you can think new beautiful ideas, because looking at these beautiful mountains, only beautiful ideas will come to you. So you can join the owners of the highest building in Europe. The most beautiful and panoramic views in the Costa Blanca. Intempo is the residential building where you have 10 minutes to the sea, and you can enjoy this Spanish weather, this best climate, temperate climate in Europe, and come here and enjoy, and we will select the best real estate for you.